discuss the remaining pending two reasons as of why primary key. Okay, so the first reason we are going to see is it prevents relationship mismatch. Okay, so if you want to understand this reason, you should know for what is foreign key. Okay, so how it prevents relationship mismatch. Okay, so let's see. What if you have a table which have like no primary key, and there are so many not null unique columns, so this table is having no identity. In that case, if any other table want to refer this table, then they can pick the column of their own choice which they want to use. So let's suppose we have two child tables who want to refer this parent customer table. Now they can choose the column of their own choice of how to refer them. Suppose this child table orders is referring to this customer table using the CID column. Okay, and my other child table, which is invoice table, is referring to the customer table using the customer name column. Okay, so in this case, what is happening is that the same parent table is being referred by the two child table using two other different columns. So now there are two child tables. In future, the system may grow, or data may grow, and many other child tables can also come. So now there are two child tables. Now in future there can be 100 child tables, and each of them can refer to this table by the column of their own choice. This causes relationship mismatch, which means each of the child table is referring to the parent table by a separate column, since this child table have no identity. But in case we have a parent table which have an identity defined, which have a primary key, so in that case the child table will know that this is the column how by which they can refer to this table, because this is the identity of the table. So without giving any second thought, they will use the primary key column to refer to this table. Okay, so in with the same example, if we have the two child table which is orders and invoice, then they will refer to this table, this parent table, using the primary key column. Okay, that is CID. So this is how relationship mismatch is being prevented by using a primary key. Okay, so in future there will be 100 child tables. They all will refer to the parent table using our one single column, which is our primary key column. Okay, now you might be wondering, what is the issue with relationship mismatch? See, there is no issue with relationship mismatch. The thing is that when you will be creating joins, when you want to see the data of a customer from these three tables, then you will have to, like, give a select query. Okay, you have to give a join query. Okay, let's suppose this example wherein there is no primary key. Now if you want to see the customer, if you want to see the detail of a customer whose order id and invoice id, if you want to see a particular customer's order id and invoice id, then you will have to give a join query, right? So we will have to write a join query like this. So in this case, since customer is connected to orders by CID, we'll be giving here CID. We'll be joining this on this CID column, and this invoice table is connected to the customer table using customer name, right? So we'll be joining this using customer name. So now there is no problem. But if there are 100 child tables, then developer have to remember, like, uh, each of the child table are connected to the parent table. But in case there is only one primary key, then you simply can provide a you simply can join all the tables together using one primary column, one column that is your primary key column. Okay, so this is how using a primary key makes joins cleaner. The joins are cleaner, the logic is not complex. You are just using one column by which you are joining all the tables together. The joins are cleaner and safer. Okay, the joins are cleaner and easier. They are very easy to read also as well. Okay, whereas it also prevents the relationship mismatch. Okay, so this is how having a primary key ensures that your joins are cleaner and easier, and how you are preventing relationship mismatch. Okay, so for this two reasons, define table identity, and the first one, table can have only one primary key, I have explained this in my last video. The link will be in description box. Thank you so much.